Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone.
Now we will share tips for answering problem question in the listening comprehension section.
Listening comprehension dibagi menjadi 3 part, yaitu
Part A biasa terdiri dari 30 soal yang berisi short conversation.
di part B biasanya terdiri dari 8 sampai 10 soal long conversation. Biasanya di part C terdiri dari 10 sampai 12 soal yang berisi tentang long talk.
Before I continue the material, let me introduce my group. Di sini ada saya sendiri, Tri Nur Cahyanti, dan ketiga partner saya ada Salma Rizky, Sastria Andini, dan Sadam Nur Aisyah.
Oke, langsung aja. I have a tips for you guys untuk menjawab listening comprehension ini. Tips pertama pada di part A, you can focus second line or pembicara kedua. Tips kedua, gunakan sinonim atau persamaan kata yang dimaksud. Dan yang ketiga, ketika kalian sudah memasuki soal kedua atau ketiga, baca jawaban terlebih dahulu. Okay, let me show you the example. Number 1. Can you help me with my physics homework tonight? I'm really having trouble with it.
Sorry, I'm busy tonight.
What does Salma imply? Pembicara kedua di sini adalah Salma. Salma say, sorry, I'm busy tonight. Yang artinya dia sibuk dan tidak bisa membantu Tri. Maka jawaban yang sesuai adalah B. She can't help her tonight. Number 2.
Do you mind if I turn television off?
Well, I am in the middle of watching a program.
What does Sastria imply? Sastria bilang dia lagi nonton salah satu program di televisi. Dan yang dimaksud Sastria, dia keberatan jika televisi tersebut dimatikan. Maka dari itu, Sadam harus meninggalkan atau membiarkan televisi tersebut menyala. Jadi, jawaban yang sesuai adalah B. Sadam should leave the television on. Lanjut ke part B dan C. Let me show you the example.
Hey, I heard you looking for a different apartment.
Yeah, the place I'm in now is a real dump.
It looked okay when I was there.
Oh, the boiler keeps breaking, and when it does, we lose the heat for several days at a time.
Why doesn't the owner replace it?
Well, she say it's cheaper to keep fixing it. She is a nice enough person, just sort of stingy. In any case, I'm sick of being cold.
Can you get your deposit back if you move?
If I give 2 months notice, I can get the whole thing back.
So, what kind of place are you looking for?
I think I'll try to get into one of those high classes near university. They are nothing really special, but at least they're new and functional.
I've heard that those buildings are pretty noisy. The walls are thin and you can hear everything going on in the other apartments.
Oh, that will never do. I need some place quiet to finish my thesis. I guess I'll have to look at somewhere else. Maybe new isn't necessarily better.
Why don't you try some of those apartments in Windsor? They're supposed to be nice.
Aren't they awfully expensive?
Not really. You'd be surprised at how reasonable some of them are. The problem with being out there is that the bus doesn't run out that way.
That'd definitely be a problem. I can't afford a car right now. I guess I better check a few places here in the city and make a decision. Di part ini memang harus butuh fokus untuk mendengarkan percakapan panjang ini. Tips kali ini, perhatikan dialog pertama dan fokus topik apa yang dibicarakan. Dan kalian bisa juga membaca pertanyaan-pertanyaan dan jawaban terlebih dahulu. Number 1. What is wrong with current apartment? The answer is C. The heating system is defective. Karena sesuai dengan dialog keempat, yaitu the boiler keeps breaking and when it does, we lose the heat for several days at a time. Number 2. What must Street do to have her deposit returned? The answer is A. Tell the owner 2 months in advance that she is moving. Kalimat if I give 2 months notice, I can get the whole thing back menggambarkan syarat jika ingin mendapatkan kembali deposit secara penuh. Number 3. What does Tree require of her next apartment? The answer is B. It must have quiet surroundings. Ada beberapa syarat yang dilontarkan Tree dalam dialog saat membahas keinginannya untuk pindah ke apartemen yang baru. Salah satunya adalah lingkungan yang tenang untuk menyelesaikan tesisnya. Anak, thanks for watching. We hope what we have shared would be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.